The terror bird, Phorusrhacos.
8 feet tall, couldn't fly, but could crush human skulls with one bite.
One wrong move meant extinction.
The beast relies on raw power. The warrior survives through strategy.
Each circles the other, predator versus prey. But which is which? Lucy strikes back. But Stone Age weapons against natural armor. Both warriors regroup. The dance of death continues. Second assault. But Lucy's mind works faster than the beast's instincts. Desperate times. But humans adapt faster than any predator can kill. First blood to the warrior. The terror bird learns humans bite back. Wounded, the beast becomes twice as deadly. Rage replaces calculation. Lucy bleeds. But humans fight hardest when death seems certain. Both warriors wounded, both refusing defeat. Evolution's crucible burns hottest. No distance now. Muscle against muscle. Will against will. Both fighters at breaking point. The next move determines who lives. Lucy retreats. But this isn't surrender, Court. It's strategy. Lucy learns. Every attack reveals the beast's patterns. Intelligence stores what instinct repeats. Lucy climbs beyond death's reach. Evolution's gift, the grasping hand. 2 warriors. Height equals power. Lucy rains stone death from above. Final charge.
Power breaks free. The beast's fury reaches new heights.
Perfect timing. Physics becomes Lucy's ally as momentum betrays the beast. First blood to the warrior. The terror bird learns humans bite back.
8 feet of terror, brought low by 3 feet of determination.
Lucy's victory echoes through time. From this battle, humanity learned we could overcome any beast.
From Lucy's courage to human civilization, this moment changed everything. Intelligence proved superior to size. Humanity's path began here.